Strap in, we're about to unlock the Coyote. Hey everyone, I'm Sara and this is the product rundown for AWE's exhaust suite for the 2015 to 2017 Mustang GT. AWE offers two exhaust options to unlock all 5 liters of hell yeah: the Perfected Touring Edition and the Loud and Rowdy Track Edition. The Touring Edition is a 3-inch diameter catback crafted from mandrel-bent T304L stainless steel, consisting of a Bespoke H-pipe paired to 2 bullet-style resonators to create a deep and powerful muscle tone, all without any drone through the entire range. The Touring Edition is equipped with straight-through 180 technology resonators that deploy patented proprietary technology to cancel out drone frequencies, all without muffling or congesting the rich exhaust note. If you want an exhaust that will turn heads without overpowering phone calls or causing headaches within the cabin, your exhaust search can confidently end here. Check it out for yourself. Replace those resonators with straight pipes and you have the Raw and Rowdy Track Edition. The loudest of the pair, the Track Edition exhaust retains all of the precision engineering of the Touring Edition, including the H-pipe and 3-inch T304L stainless tubing, minus that 180 technology. The result, completely raw rowdiness. If you like it loud in all aspects, listen to this closely. If your future needs change, we offer conversion kits to allow the Track Edition to transform into a Touring Edition or vice versa, so you're never stuck. To complete the rear of your GT are dual 4-inch double-walled slash-cut tips, available in your choice of chrome silver or diamond black. Each exhaust is 100% bolt-on, emissions-friendly, and features our perfect fitment guarantee, no check engine light guarantee, and lifetime warranty. Engineered, designed, and manufactured with precision in-house here at AWE for you and your Mustang GT. To grab one for yourself, head to awemustang.com. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.